Indira versus the Syndicate. After winning the elections in 1967, though with a reduced majority, the challenge to Indira Gandhi came from the Syndicate. They thought that Indira would follow their advice. But Indira Gandhi asserted her power by choosing her own trusted group as advisors, and that too from outside the party. She started sidelining the Syndicate. She turned her battle with the Syndicate to that of an ideological battle. She undertook a series of steps that changed the orientation of the government towards left. In May 1967, Indira Gandhi made the Congress Working Committee to adopt 10-point program. Though the Syndicate accepted the program, they had their reservations. The 10-point program. It included social control of banks, nationalization of general insurance, ceiling on urban property and income, public distribution of food grains, land reforms, and provision of house sites to the rural poor.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.